Mansion ni ano. Bahay ko po, mansion ni Mike Kilo. That's your mansion.
That's my mansion.
Yes.
Looks more like a cottage to me.
Silly. Gana-gana itong pinakurat untahan na. Oh, dihan ni mag-ibutang. Ang isa, haman ang isa. Hindi rin natin ibutang.
No. Init.
Aray!
Init. Yung kugnaw no.
What's wrong, Bella?
Ubi. Ubi.
Dira, ato ikaw ang dira palihog.
They got a big tongue.
Sa'yo na ka mo dili ugma? No, chicken.
Oh, iba na, ari ka matulog, Noy? Calves, take me, Father dear. No more chicken coops.
Are those bushes? Is that what you're saying? Those are bushes? That
No,
grow-
those are, ano,
What are those?
those are, what do you call it? Herbs.
Oh.
Herbs. Hala, wala ayos. Sangko. Hamay mo, hamay.
Why didn't you bring level? Huh? Why didn't you bring level?
No, he was just asking you if you can. Tapay? Dili.
What's that?
If you hit his. Papa's concerned if you hit your head.
Oh.
I don't think so. Dili, bagan. Careful, ha? Dili. Oo, dili.
Yeah, but some of the people, Joe's taller than me. Some of the people are taller than me. He's like 5'10". What if I let Bella run?
Oya man.
They let Bella run?
Oya man.
Huh?
Oya man na ka.
How do you normally get out of there?
Try. Sige, Mikey. Sige, Mikey, lo, yung kamuti na. Found one. You can find a bigger one too. Oh? Hold this. Give it to Mamala. Mamala, your kamuti has no unod. Sige, pangamuti na.
Not leaves.
Do you know how?
No, I have no idea.
Oh, give that to Mamala. Tell Mamala, your kamuti doesn't have unod.
A node is roots?
Unod, that's unod. This one is unod. Ew. Okay, give that to Mamala. Dali. Give it to Mamala. Dali, pangamuti na. Pangamuti na, Mike, para may makaon tayo. Tignan no, so that we can eat something. I'll try this one. Kamuti na. Yan. Ganyan nga. Oh, be careful. You might hit that, no? Is there kamuti there? It's just a root. Where? You found something? Ah! There's something down there. May I see? What is that?
Something in this further down than that.
Ay, only roots. On the other side, see if there is kamuti there. Yes! Si mga muti na kami. Yes, baby. Huh? Huh? Where's money? Where's money?
What's monkey?
Kamuti. Root crops. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Yeah, sweet potato.
Look.
What? Is there uno, Daddy?
Sorry, I can't feel anything there.
You don't feel anything?
Oh, here's one right here.
There is?
There's something there.
Oh, marunong na si Mike mga muti. Tingnan natin. Sinisira mo naman, baby.
Very big, baby.
Pinuputol mo yung ugat. Baby, don't try to cut the roots. Frustrated. Is it a hard job?
Yeah.
I know it's a hard job. Ay, kawawa naman sa
Look
baby.
at the house.
Yes, almost done. Basta pangamuti. Yeah, pangamuti, grabe. Ang hirap pala. Sakit sa likod. Come on, Bella.
Mama, what is it?
Come here na.
Hey, what kind of rock is this one?
Come here na. We're done with pangamuti. Oh, your zipper is open. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Come on na, Kalib. Ka. Si Papay, oh. Ka ni dyan. Kanya ni dyan. Sure kang Papay. Ay, sorry. Oh. Hindi ako.
On the bottom.
Asa man?
Ani iya cellphone kaya di naman mo tingog daon. Yan na ikawan.
Hindi, naka-download man na. Ani kuan mo na. Tawag anak mo. Ni anak.
So guys, thank you for watching our video. Niya na po kami sa bukid. May stress na po siya, no?
Sa bukid.
Yung bahay namin, diba? Oh, may isa pa kaming bahay ongoing. Ayan pa yung bahay ko po dyan. O, diba? Oh, saan ka pa? Pero stress. Hindi sanay sa ganitong lifestyle.
Stress? Not here.
Every time you're here, you look stressed. Are you stressed?
Every time I'm here, I look stressed.
Yeah, is it because of the bathroom?
Maybe the way it's a living.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Yeah, I look stressed when I'm here
Here in the...
and the property.
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, you don't really have much of a bathroom.
Kasi yung bathroom namin talagang, ano lang talaga. Asan ba yung bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Ayun pala, oh. Ayun, oh. So, ayaw niya ng ganung bathroom.
You have to get this, like, just leveled, like, just not leveled like this, but leveled, like, so that, you know, it's slope, but it's level across.
Yeah. Even.
Even, but you gotta get like a front end loader to do that.
Diba? Ang sarap ng ganitong buhay kaya. Fresh na fresh. Diba? Fresh na fresh.
Sabi nga tinulag di manimang kanglad.
Oh, Sharo.
Ay, posible na gayon.
Sharo. Ano na ta? Magsuga na ta.
Oo.
Ang ulam namin, you know. May lechon paksiw. May kinilaw. May sinubaw, diba? Saging.
Ate,
You try to
man ang lamas nimo.
What do you want me to do?
Lukos.
Just about.
Are you okay, baby?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Oh no, it's okay. You can play with your phone. It's fine. Oh, just asking if you're okay. Diyan kami mamaya matulog. Pag lumakas ang ulan. Pag maklaro na ako, direct, ay, karay, grabe man to nakilat. Lightning. Grabe man to nakilat. Gani. Ito si mama isa ko. I have to try. Bella, are you tired? Mantayin dito sa bikas. May mahulog. Ang sarap. Ang daming pagkain namin. How's the food?
Good.
Good.